I'll be making bigger trades, it's always a percentage of my total, and I always only risk 1%. So whether it's a shitload of money or not, it's always going to be 1%. My stop loss is only going to be 1%, within 1% of my total, and so that's what I was comfortable with putting on the line.
But that was Jordan's own unique
Yeah,
way of
that's just my way.
money management. Everyone creates
So you
their
see,
own
yeah.
way to manage their money.
So you see, you're saying Jordan, like you do the 1% above and stuff like that. What was like? But was you watching it, or did you have it on like a stop loss thing where it automates, and if it drops below, or
Oh, I would always set a stop loss. So yeah, so I would look at where I was gonna get in at. I would set a stop loss. I would calculate what 1% is of where the market is right now, and then I'll set a stop loss at that point.
but doesn't it? Like, I don't know if you use eToro, but on eToro that I'm looking now, it's got P/L percentage.
Yeah, that's profit loss. Yeah.
Yeah. So you would literally, if that goes to -1%, then it would automatically close it for you, and if it goes +1%, it would take that for you, the profit.
Yeah, I could. I mean, at the very least, if it went 1% lower, then it would stop. Then it would stop out. I personally didn't set take profits. That's I would sit there and watch it. But I would trade at a particular time of the day every day. I would always wake up at 6 a.m. and I would look for a particular signal between 6 and 10, and so I would literally sit there at the screen and I would watch out for that signal, and I would
Was there a reason for that particular time?
yeah, because between 6 and 10 is where other markets start to open, and well, I don't know how it is these days, because I haven't traded forex in time, but back then the opening of markets disrupted the market, and so other people were starting to open trades, so then that would that would disrupt the market and make the chart move in a certain way. So I was always looking for that signal. I was looking for a high test bar, which would signal that the market is entering a downtrend, and then that's where I would
Buy in.
prepare to stop my trade. Yeah, because it's entering the downtrend. That's where I would want to sell. Because if it's going down, you want to be selling. But I would start my trade at 6, and then at 10, around 10 is where like I would start to see a high test bar, and then that's a signal of it like starting to enter downtrend. The reason why I wouldn't set a take profit is because that the point of where the high test bar occurs varies, and I just wanted to accumulate as much profit from that situation as possible. But I always set a stop loss. I don't want to lose more than 1%. I don't mind making more than 1%.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, the only reason I said that is because I was obviously looking at this thing that I've done now, and it's like the 1%. I've been waiting for it to go up 1%, but it got like 0.96, and I was like, that's just, there's not one though. So I'm like, should you worry about those? If it's 0.96, would you say that it's 1%? Let me take that.
Nah. I would be a robot. I'd be a robot. 1% is 1%. If it ain't 1%, it's not 1%.
Alright.
Because you never know. It could hit 0.99, and then it could start going up. So yeah, if
Even
you try
0.99, you would be a robot still.
yeah, because are you talking about 0.99 in loss?
No, profit.
Oh, in profit. Oh, I mean, if it looks like it's I'm
At the
just
end of the day, I think, personally, you need to make your own decisions. You need to set your
Yeah,
own
100%, but I'm just
targets.
saying, like, when I make my decisions, yeah,
Mhm.
I'm trying to say, even for you,
Mhm.
what you saying yours is 2%, 3% yesterday when you was talking.
Yeah.
What I'm trying to say is,
Well, 3 to 4%. 3 to 4%.
yeah, okay, but if it was a profit loss on the profit loss percentage,
Mhm.
if it was 2.99,
Mhm.
are you taking that? Or you be like, no, I'm gonna wait for 3?
Okay. Remember,
Do you see
if
what I'm trying to say? I'm saying if you're staring,
but you're
at it,
forgetting about the whole mentality of my strategy. Jordan's telling you his strategy. I'm telling you my strategy of money management. We have different strategies, Jordan and I. Jordan told you his way, and I've told you my way several times. Like, if you look at the, like, for example, play, look how many different lots I've got. I've got so
yeah,
many different lots. And you can see they're all in a 3% range, or 3 to 4% range of the market's going down. I'm just going to keep buying. I'm going to make my average cost price lower. Like Jordan is saying take the stop loss, I think. You're just saying take the stop loss because you don't know what's going to happen. But I'm saying I believe in a company. When I'm picking a company or when I'm
yeah,
choosing, I don't get emotional. Because I already have faith that this company is going to go to the targets I have predicted
yeah
based on my
yeah. But
pattern
that's in
trading.
stocks, right? Is that in stocks?
yeah, exactly. Yeah, and bear in mind,
Yeah.
yeah, this is
And
stocks and shares,
I was
whereas
But
saying
I did
forex.
exactly the same thing in the currency market, did I not?
Oh,
Did I not do that? Did you not watch me do that throughout the whole night? Sending you all those messages.
oh, I don't know. Wait, you talking to me?
No, to Nick.
kind of,
Oh, okay, yeah, because I wasn't watching.
Yeah. No, but that's what I'm saying to you all night. I've been
yeah, I see
earning
it.
that P, and
Buy GP, buy GP, buy GP, buy GP.
like I don't care what the price is. I know what targets I expect it to go to, and all you gotta do is just be patient. If it decides it wants to go the other way from what you've predicted, you just buy more or sell more at that new price, that better price. It's basically you're just getting a discount. Like you go into the shop, you see the ketchup is 2 for 1. Why are you not gonna get it? It's a bargain. It's gonna go back up. It's gonna go to the target that you've already set. Because if you're marking your roof and you're marking your floor, why wouldn't it go to those levels? The only
Yeah,
risk is if you're betting on the sell side, is there's gonna be fees in it. So
Yeah,
it's
uh,
always best to, like, for instance, we've taken that sell, and right now we're $1 up, nearly $2 up. I don't know about you, but I'm already $2 up on that sell. Okay.
yeah, the GBP one.
Yeah, exactly. Look
Yeah,
how.
I just closed it.
Oh, you closed it. You got too scared. You don't want to hold it for a little bit longer.
I've been,
Because
while
it.
you've been eating, I've been watching it and adding in lines on the graph, and it keeps bouncing and doing all this shit. But that's why I said to myself, 1%. If it gets to at least 1%,
Yeah, well, I think you're just gonna
right.
shake yourself out too soon, isn't it? The currency market is one of the most volatile market. It's so whippy. It moves
But
up
it's
and
like now
down,
it's
up
gone
and
down.
down.
Now it's gone down here. Then I would buy this now because I feel it will go back up to those lines, those roofs.
Try that and see if it works, and we'll see who's right.
Bro, don't scare me, bro.
I think you're wrong. I don't
But
think it will
that's why
jump
I'm
back to
doing
those
it.
spots, isn't
I
it?
think
But I want to show you that you're wrong, and clearly, it's like you're not understanding or getting it, or it's not clicking in your head yet. The strategy, how to leverage your winnings. If you're already in profit, why wouldn't you potentially add more to it, or why would you close it straight away? when it still has the potential to go all the way back down to 2505.
Oh.
Does it not have the potential to go back to 2505?
Yeah, but it has the potential to go back up to.
Even though there's a big
25.
roof at 2546.
Oh, so you're. Yeah, I think if I show.
You're clearly not drawing your lines correctly, bro. That's what my point is.
Alright, well, let me do this. I've drawn lines. Look at the lines, and then tell me if they're drawn incorrectly. Because if they're drawn incorrectly,
You
then
should
I
have
need to
two
know.
main lines. The same things on my screen. The 2504 and then the 2546. That's your level right there. It's trading from those levels. You can make other levels in between it, but those are the main levels. For the last, how many hours now? Like 12 hours? Since I've started, like, messaging you from midnight when the market opened.
I think I've sent.
It's exactly the same numbers, bro.
Oh, do you mean file size? File size is too powerful. Wow. Let me just print screen this shit.
No, you're meant to do when you go to the buy, it's meant to be times 30 leverage, and you can do the cheapest 1333.33. 133.33. That's why sometimes I do 134, just to make it easy.
Where is?
Like, another key thing is, like, when it does these things, like, it's showing another pattern there right now. It's showing that it's not breaking its previous high point. It's actually staying underneath its previous high point, and on its bottom point, on its selling side, it's creating new selling points, like like lower sell prices. So it's like beating its, like, so for one second it's at let me go to the chart. So 1 minute, like, it keeps bouncing off the 25.39, then it creates an even lower low at 25.36, then it creates an even lower low, and it went all the way to 25.30. So when it's making that pattern, it's creating, it's breaking, it keeps breaking every support that you think could be a support. The true support is the 2504. There are other supports in between there, but they're not that strong. They're not as strong as the roof at 2546, and they're not as strong as the 2504. Just by watching this since midnight, I've seen that. Like, when you watch it for that many hours, 12 hours, over 12 hours straight, you will see a pattern, bro. Your brain cannot unsee that pattern no more.
That image I showed you is what I drew the lines on.
I can't even see that because I'm in game. Yeah, kind of awkward. How do I do that? What, on Discord you sent me?
Yes, on Discord.
I can't watch this, so I'm just gonna sell this now. Get my 225. So I just sold that coin, just made 225 there. Well, coin, it was not a coin. It's currency. I'm thinking I'm trading cryptos there for a second. But yeah, just close that because I'm in a game and market's gonna start at 2:30, so I want to make sure I get this game out of the way before 2:30. I can't look at Discord because I'm in game and I haven't set it up properly. Wait, where's Discord? There it is. Okay, I can see how you've done your lines. Do I like them? They're good enough. They're just a bit too accurate for me, I guess. Like, I don't know how to explain that. Like, you're not given any room for the false breaks, and it's so tight, everything. I get what you're trying to do, but those lines need to like link up more to other time charts. So not just the 1 minute, but it has to link to the 5 minute, to the 10 minute. You have to match them all together.
Okay. What's it doing now?
What? This guy is gonna get away. Oh, he's gonna get away, bruh. He got away. Mad. Whoa, this guy. That was close, boy. Oh my gosh. Oh, I messed that up. I could have so got away from that.
It was hot, man.
It's hot, most probably now. Wow.
"35 centimeters by 25 centimeters by 2.5."
Looking from afar, like, are you joking? But I'm carrying your 30 kilograms weight all the way here for now to you ignore me like this. I've been picking your stinky poos all the way here for this.
Someone sounds a bit pissed over there.
Yeah. Oh no, I missed him, bruv.
Alright, let's see. What to do there. Oh fuck, I need to send off that power supply. 100 for 219. That's a shit rate. That's shit. That's shit crap. That's 2 on 10 each. That's less than a thing. 1,000. Okay. Okay. Let's just see. 61 sold. It's just funny, like people are still buying them. Go wide spectrum. Wide box and then alright. Garen is
You watching the plays?
I just saw it in the corner of my eye and I was like, oh shit, this is tense, and then you just thought, oh fuck, fuck.
I'm legit carrying this top lane differently, bruh. Like even they're saying like, wow, this Ashe is a god.
Post office. Pack of 10. Yeah, people are buying these as well. Like, I should just fucking go in. Should just go in. May approve. Tasks.
Oh, bitch.
What? Okay, so this is black. Alright, I'll think about that.
Team is so bad, it's crazy. Dude, why? Why? Why would you go do that?
What's going on, Brandon?
Who was that?
Who knows?
Oh, you playing it? Oh, you are playing.
Yeah, I'm playing.
What was that 34.95 right now? It went down. After,
Oh, your oil.
yeah, I hit my stop loss, so I made 100, but like, I wanted to short it, yeah? Like,
Mhm.
after the stop loss, I wanted to short. But I said the stop loss only at $10, so it hit the stop loss, and then it started going down more. So I would have made another $100 to get this. If I made the stop loss,
Just got to take the hit, you know? Better days will come.
I mean, it's a good day. I mean, it's $100, but like, it would have been 200 if I made the stop loss.
Yeah. Yeah, you know. It's a good day. But yeah, so what were you saying about, mm,
I don't know how long Bucco takes to actually. I do have. If you need any money right now, I do
you have 100?
I have. I can. Yeah, I can take you 100 right now. Or
Yeah.
200.
Yeah, that would be nice.
How much?
If you can do 2, then yeah.
Yeah, I can do 270. Or is it 70 no matter? 200. So
I need 100 min. I need 100 min. Sorry. Oh, you said yeah. 200 is good. 200 is good.
8690760.
Yep. 7160. Yep.
So
Thank you. Also, yeah, I sent you the link to the thing, and drop me your IMEI.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm about to do the thing until the. Yeah. It's on the box, right?
Yeah, you can also get it on the. Wait, yeah, but yeah, if you got, yeah, it's on the box.
I'm out of the box right here. It's very long. There's 2 IMRs.
Yeah, just the first one.
358.
Don't say it. Just type
Yeah, I know. I was just saying it.
it.
I was like, I'm gonna say the whole number, like.
Ah.
Spicy.
Hey, Nick, you complete Diablo 3 yet? Say no more.
You must be AFK.
cynical. Fuck Ali.
Say that again. Cool, cool. Fucking hell. Bloody hell. Ah, fuck that shit. Oh my days. Oh.
Hey, Brandon, check that. There's something I was supposed to send you last night. Oh shit! This thing goes. Oh my god. Oh, that's jokes. Oh my god, it gets me every time.
Huh? Did you say something?
Yeah, I was saying it gets me every time.
Wait, my chair is just fucked. I just realised that a screw fell out. Screw in.
Were you watching the game?
Oh no, I wasn't watching. What happened?
Oh, never mind. Oh, I meant to be quiet. JJ's in a meeting.
Oh my god. Especially like proper gets like ready for it as well. Like before, like at the right of the game, she's like sits up, pretty.
Whoa!
Okay, I've watched it enough times now.
Fuck.
Sick. Oh, Brandon, when it says TAS on a fighting game bid, that means it's bot, right?
TAS.
TAS, yeah, TAS.
No. Means you say a bot?
Yeah, yeah.
A bot associated with TAS?
No, oh, okay. I was asking Brandon because I didn't. Yeah, because
Oh, okay.
I think you said it before.
TAS.
Yeah, TAS.
Port that Jax, yeah?
Damn right. I bought all of them. They may could have had a free win now.
Bobby looks mad outside. So much people on the road, bro.
Yeah, I was out, like, I was, like, getting fed up of seeing all these, like, protests on, like,
Oh.
on the, on YouTube.
Android.
So I wanted to see if
It's
like there's
Android,
really
yeah.
like protests going on.
Andrew speaking right now. Android. Can't hear you.
Oh, can you hear me now?
Yeah, Andrew's back. There we go.
Oh yeah, I can see I got some lag.
Sound like a droid.
Yeah. Yeah, I just I wanted to see if the protests were actually like real. Like I know they're real, but like they're making it out like on the news it's happening all the time. So I went to drive around in London to see what's popping, and everything looks clean, fam. Clean.
Yeah.
Clean. I feel like they're just editing those footages like from when the riots really like went down, and they're making it look like it's going on every day. Bruv, I see bare people in Hyde Park chilling, picnicking, families pushing the babies on the prams.
It's Monday to Friday, yeah. Come weekend, watch.
Oh, okay. So they only do it on the weekend.
Yeah.
Well, I was there last night. It was like always Sunday, sorry.
Weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah. So that's what I'm talking about. Yesterday was Sunday. I was taxiing.
No, there
yesterday.
was no protest yesterday.
Oh.
No, there was no protest yesterday. It was on Saturday.
Oh.
Mhm.
Oh. They've
There's
cleaned
like
up.
eight-
They
eight
cleaned
ages
up
where
London
they
pretty well,
announced-
though. You wouldn't even know there was a protest.
There was one in Croydon as well.
Oh, rah.
I was supposed to go to the London one, but I woke up late.
Bruv, I just like feel like when I see the YouTube, I just see bare like mandems rolling and just looking for fights, fam. Just 'cause they can fight now, or they feel like, yeah, I don't know.
Go up there, just walk into a horse and then get compensation.
Yeah,
Then put it into it's trading.
that's what people need to do, is just go online and start trading, make money for yourself. You're not gonna make no money protesting. If anything, they want you to protest so you're just distracted from what's really going on. $2.30's coming up, guys.
Yeah, it is.
Who's ready for this US market to open?
Yeah. I paid $2 today. See.
Nice. I wonder. Wow, people are saying Shopify might move up to 780.
It's a bit mad.
Shopify is just overvalued right now. Overvalued. Its balance sheet is horrible as well, bruv. They just use other people's money.
Yeah, that's because it's more and more e-commerce people entering the scene.
I just feel like, yeah, I don't know. I just feel like it just looks like a bad business model right now. Just like they're in debt all the time. They're not making money. Just raking up bare liabilities. Just doesn't look good. Like their PE ratio, their forward PE ratio is overpriced, bruv. Overpriced. MRNA. Oh, there's a lot of shit that is moving down, boy. No. How interesting. Don't know, you know. We should wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Oopsie.
What? Oh my days.
What's that?
No, I was just watching some Nvidia. Oh wait, yeah, you used to play Street Fighter, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember. I used to play Street Fighter EX plus Alpha. Or was it EX3? Who I know used to play Garuda.
Mm. Yeah, he used to stab you up a lot, innit?
Yeah. Spikes. Spikes.
It would have been a sweet bloody deal if I took a sellout when Tesla was like overly priced, like at 1 grand. Could have made some bit of decent change today. If you took out that sell.
PNC.
Yeah. They're the company that Warren Buffett has invested into. So Warren Buffett dropped in, if I go to research, 890 million into this fund, into this bank. Let me see if I can find him. Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway's added 6%, which is 880 million.
Jeez.
Compared to everyone else. Look at everyone else's prices compared to his price.
Mad.
No one can compare to one of the richest men in the world. And one of the most probably biggest deep state members ever. Him and George Soros. Now you can include Bill Gates in that as well. Mr. Microsoft himself. Yeah, when you got like the richest men in the world investing in this in a company, clearly they don't expect this company to stay at this price.
Moving now, boy. You see that they gave me that National Grid
Mm-hmm.
stock.
Yeah.
How how does it work? Because obviously I didn't put no money in.
They just bought the share for you, no?
Okay, but so if I sell the share, is that 900?
Nah.
Exactly. So how does that work?
That's 900 and pence, bruv. So
Oh,
'cause it's a
cheap.
yeah, that's a UK stock. So UK stocks are valued in pence, not in
There's me
pounds.
thinking he gave me some 900 fucking pound stock, and I was like, what? Okay, but even so, if I sold that, do I get that 900 pence?
Yeah, exactly. So it's £9, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, if you sold it. But it's not really smart to sell National Grid, bruv.
No.
Yeah, they power
Not
the
even
whole.
good.
They like power everything, no? In the UK.
So, but what I'm trying to say, you can day trade with it, right?
Oh, if you wanted to day trade, you could. But I
It
think
just
you
felt-
have to wait 2 business days before it can clear. Before you're allowed to sell it, because it's a share that they just bought for you. Well, try sell it. I think it won't let you sell it. I'm pretty sure it's 2 days, 2 business days. You have to keep it for at least 2 business days. You never know, in the next 2 business days it could be $12. I mean, like £12.
Hmm.
You're gonna be heartbroken when it gets to $20 or $25. I mean, pounds.
That's what I mean. I think all the ones in my ISA, there's
Uh-huh.
no point me doing day trades on them.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Did you add some money into your other account then?
I have now, yeah. So I think, but what I'm trying to say, like going from day trading with currency, and then crypto, and then stocks. I think I should have one and then work on that.
Mm-hmm.
That makes.
Yeah, yeah.
But I'm just trying to think what's the best one to go with. Currency, is that the easiest thing to day trade with?
Yes, because it's got like a shorter, like the spread is much more weaker.
Yeah.
But
So
again, like the only risk is you're using leverage there, innit? Whereas you can day trade with like these stocks.
with the
Like
with stocks itself.
yeah, with normal stocks, yeah.
Let's think
Like
of
basically, look, I've added a position on this APHA because they're only $4. I should have put more. I should have put like instead of 12, maybe like
Here we go,
15 or
PH.
17.
Yeah.
I'm already up
unit
like
stock
50
units.
cents. Like I said, I see my thing. It went down to 4 to 5%, and then I bought another position. So it's like I've caught that position now. So when it does go up, I'm gonna make that $3, and then I'll be break even on that position once it gets to $3. So as it goes down, you're just making your cost to average less, smaller. If that makes sense.
Makes sense. Yeah.
And technically, I got another trade above that, which is already $19 in profit. So I'm not really phased about that -3 there. I'm generally just in profit, so yeah, it's nothing to worry about. You just watch the moves, innit? I even took out another position on USO because they did a little drop. And they're only a $25 stock. And you can day trade or intraday trade with them. Like you can do it. You can hold it for a day or two, or just hold it for a little bit. Totally up to you. I'm most likely gonna hold it for a while. Doesn't really come down to these prices that often. And oil is meant to be like what, 40. To make profit, to make a decent profit, it should be $40. But this fund USO is always $10 cheaper than the actual oil. So technically, its oil is around most likely around $35 per barrel, and this one's saying it's 25.
So that, see that APH one?
Mhm.
Did you did you get it when it dropped to 553?
5? I got it when it was like 305. No.
Today, no, today.
Oh, today I bought it at.
You said that you bought.
Yeah,
shit.
it says I bought it at 2 minutes after the market opened, and I got it in at $4.17.
I don't see that on my chart though. $4.70. Where did it ever drop that low?
At the start when the market opened.
15th of June today.
So if I show you,
Yeah,
can you
is that
see
on
my?
your chart? Yeah, I'm looking at your chart now.
Oh, cool. So I believe the drop is around here. So it would have been this drop. But remember, there's a price difference in it, so there's like a spread between this. There's only 4 points as well. How
You know it's not showing that on trading 212.
how does it show it?
It's saying that the lowest mark for today was 553. Is that because it's different?
Strange. They should be like together, I would have thought. Who are we looking at? APH. yeah.
APH, yeah.
Open. Are you on the 1 minute chart, yeah? Because it shows it. You sure you're on the 1 minute? Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah, definitely on the 1 minute.
Can you see? I can see it on my chart.
Yeah. I don't know why it's not showing on mine though. That's a bit fuckeries. Need to refresh the page or some shit.
Yeah, maybe just close it and log in again.
What the fuckeries is that?
Make sure you got that Ethernet cable, no Wi-Fi, yeah?
Yeah, Ethernet.
Okay, cool. Just making sure. You never know.
That should fuck,
It's like, you're a new boy. I'm gonna give you some shit graphs.
man. It's actually bugging me out because I'm like, what? What? Minute.
Like right
What
now,
time? What time was that drop?
32 past. 32 minutes past.
32 minutes past.
You should be able to see it just on a 1 minute chart, like clear as day, innit? Because there's a massive gap down. That invisible red bar would be there. Remember what I said about pre-market and post-market? It's basically a big invisible red bar, and then literally a few minutes later,
Shall I show you what I'm seeing on my screen?
yeah.
At that, there you go.
Right, it's Discord. You sent it?
Who the fuck is... My Discord is fucking bugged up as well. What's going on?
Just restart your computer, bro.
Bro, here we go. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Fucking hell. Breakdown. That's my chart.
Yeah, it's there, bruv. I see it. Don't you see it?
Wait. No.
It's basically the like.
What number you said it drops to?
Okay, look. Here's. Can you see it again? This is your screen, yeah? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
This is this red bar here. That's when I bought
Okay.
it. When it hit that red bar, when it was at the bottom of that red bar, I clicked buy.
Which is at the bottom of that red bar is 552.
Oh, your prices are fucked, isn't it? Oh yeah, your prices are fucked. That's not the correct prices. You
Oh
need to
my
close
days.
that. Like, can you close both of those charts and then reopen a fresh chart?
That's what I did. I keep closing them and reopening them.
That is strange why it's done that. Like,
You hacked the system, bro.
oh, sorry.
Let me just close 212.
Yeah, maybe restart the computer. But what you could do is if you click on the buy, what price would it show you?
I'm just loading it back up now. The buy is 580.
It's actually saying 580 to you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, don't buy it, bro. They're bumping you right now. You need to come to eToro, innit? They are royally
APH.
bumping you $1, fam.
Let me check APH now.
Is it
Sure.
because
What's
you're
that
not in
APH?
dollars or you're in pounds or something?
Oh, that could be the reason.
Oh, so that's why you're seeing it wrong. That's what it could be.
That could be the reason. But I don't know how I would switch it to dollars.
Yeah, don't ask me that. I don't play with Trading 212. It bugs me out, bruv. The only reason why I got it is for free shares. Who doesn't want free money? Like Dre. Wait, you don't even know Dre. Sorry. I got another friend that he basically religiously uses that Trading 212. But he does have another. I think it was like Watch something. I can't remember the name. But he's got another website where he logs in to do all his charts and it saves all his charts.
So here's something for you then. You saw this drop.
Mhm.
It was like literally as the market opened.
Mhm.
Is that correct?
Yep.
You saw that drop.
Mhm.
So, what statistics did you have or strategies in place? Because obviously the market's been closed over the weekend.
Mhm.
What gave you the incentive? Okay, it's dropped, so yeah, it's definitely gonna go up. Just 'cause it's dropped.
Because this is the stock that I was saying that like when Europe decides they want to make the
Yeah.
the stuff legal, this CEO has already great relationships with
So
people
You've bought it
in
for long
Europe.
term, basically. You
Oh,
bought that
this
stock
is
for-
definitely long term, but I'll still day trade it. Why wouldn't I
Ah.
day trade it?
That's what I mean. So obviously, my thought process is
Mhm.
you've seen it go low,
Mhm.
and you've obviously put money in it because you just told me you've bought it because you think this company's going to do well in the future, right?
Mhm.
So that's why you done that. But for a day trading position,
Mhm.
if you saw it low, would you have bought it then to day trade
Well, isn't that what I've done?
based on what?
Basically, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it.
Yeah, but
for how long?
you would've-
I
I'm trying
just
to say-
know I want positions in this stock because
Yeah, but
it's
I'm
too
saying that if
cheap
you were
now.
to
It's
day trade it-
undervalued. Okay, you're thinking day trade literally has to be day trade. It doesn't have to be day trade. Why can't you hold it in for longer? It could be an intraday trade. You can hold it for a week or two. You can hold it for 3-4 days. Like the longer you hold it, the more money you make. If it's copying or doing the pattern you expect it to do. So, for example, this has been in a downtrend since look how long it's been in the downtrend. Like if we go to the day view, you can see it a bit more clearer. You can see it was all the way up here. Like ignore all of that crap because that's all the way in the left. It's not necessary.
14-19s area basically. It was up here in the 14s.
Yeah, look, so it's basically bouncing. You've got two clear lines, one around here and then one around up here. So you got a path where it's gonna be bouncing consistently from 4 to 5, 4 to 5. Why can't I make money off that?
Yeah, it's like $1
Exactly.
each bounce. Okay.
Each bounce. And if it wants to go higher, even better for me. I don't
Nah,
know how long I'll hold the
Yeah.
stock at the end of the day. I really don't. Like, I just see there's a bargain. I've gone to the shops. I see the ketchup is like at a bargain price. I'm gonna cop all of it, bruv. Just like how people copped all the toilet paper when they saw toilet paper was cheap.
True.
You see, it's the same thing, bro. It's no difference. We should be acting the same way when it comes to buying these stocks. Are you in a meeting, JJ? Oh, it doesn't look like it. Cool. But yeah, so that's what I see, innit? Just mark off those levels so you know where to go. Like, it's clearly not bouncing in this level no more. Clearly is not in this section no more. Like from here to here. From the $2 to the $4. It's not on that level no more. This $4 has become a support now. It's not a roof no more. It's above that. It likes to trade from the 4 to the 5. If it wants to break that, if it wants to break it, I'll be shocked. Just because you've had 1, 2, 3 days of selling pressure in a row. That's not normal. Okay, you could say like you get sometimes here, like you got 4 bars here, 4 days, but it can't go down forever, innit? It has to bounce sooner or later. So that's why I'm bullish on it today, because it's at a support where
Yeah, so you think it's gonna stay where you've marked that floor just there?
yeah, exactly, where I've marked the floor. And this floor doesn't even relate to anything over here that we can see. It only relates to the day chart.
Okay.
So you know you have a wider range to see what level to trade from. You have to just think of each level is as each zone, if you will. I don't know how to. I'm saying that all twisted, isn't it?
No,
Yeah.
but it's like the floor that you've marked just there.
Mhm.
It's like you're saying that it's probably gonna be bouncing between that floor and the roof that I can see on your screen right now.
Mhm.
But prior to today, you've seen that it's gone way below that. All this stuff underneath it.
Yeah.
So, like for me, I would look at that and be like, well, obviously there's potential that it can definitely go underneath that.
Well,
That-
why would you say that when you've had how many retests? Like you can change over to a half an hour view, and then you can see even more retests. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 retests. So
Oh, I see.
why wouldn't that tell you that's a support? If you're getting retests and it can't break the line, and it's doing it
Yeah.
over and over again, is that not a pattern
Yeah. I see
trade?
that.
This is why you mark your lines on the 1 day, so you know your range. Once you know your range, then you go down lower and lower and lower to match it. And usually when you match it with your day, it will match with the 1 minute too. It will match with the 5 minute. It will match with the 10 minute. That's why I always say you start with the days first, because the days tell you what is going on. It's basically headed. It basically in the last 3 days was a downtrend.
Mm.
It's now hitting this support again, retesting it, and you can go to the 5 minute chart. It's gonna say the same thing. Okay, maybe no. Look, there's retests here on the 5 minute chart. There's 1, 2. There's quite a few retests there in this section here.
Yeah.
And then if you go 15 minute, you can see that same retest here, that same retest there.
How cringe is this man?
Like they all should link. They all should make sense.
He was telling me before
Ouch.
all the things that happened to those.
If they're not all the same, clearly the supports you have drawn on the roofs are not true roofs and supports. They can mimic it basically. Like this one, like can you see this point 4.23? It's a support. It could be a roof as well, but it's a bit of a weak one in it, in a sense. Like it can just 1 minute be in this section and then all of a sudden go in a higher section. That's why when you have your day chart, it's like you have a better bird's eye view type of way to look at it, and then you can break it
Yeah.
down to go into the 1 minute chart to actually see how big the gap is, and then you're like, shit, that gap is massive. Look at that gap from 5 all the way to 4.
Shit.
When you
Makes
turn it
sense,
into a
true.
1 minute, when you turn it into a 1 minute chart.
That was $6 there. Sorry, sorry. I just had to close this trade quickly.
Oh, you made some
The-
money.
The Forex, the GBP, the USD. Remember
Yeah.
I said that I bought it.
Yeah.
I just left it and it just shot up.
Nice, nice.
Mm.
You having
That's
fun yet?
$6. Take that $6.
That's what you gotta do, bruv. Buy in low, sell high.
But to be fair, that was a waiting game. That was the same one that you was like, remember I was saying that, oh yeah, I've just bought that, and you're like, but why would you do that?
Oh yeah. So
But it did drop. It did drop, and I was like, oh shit. Yeah, what Andrew was saying was right. It did literally drop further. But now look at it.
oh yeah, it went
all the way
up
up
crazy.
there.
Yeah.
I saw that, and now it's going down, isn't it? But I
Yeah.
just closed the trade, bro.
Yeah. That's the way to do it, though. That's the way to do it.
But where it's gone all the way up now,
Yeah.
like I don't know if this is correct, but I
You
was
should
gonna
have put a
line-
sell on
I was gonna put a line to mark. That's a new route.
top.
in a
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, correct.
Okay. And then yeah, normally if I was following it, I would have
Put a sell
Sell
on.
on.
Yeah, exactly.
and then see where it's gonna hit because it might bounce.
And not only that, you could have left potentially both positions open. Like, think about it for a second. So you had you had something that was in juicy profit, $6 in profit. So you were maybe like at least 10 to maybe 15 pips up, and you could have potentially put the sell on, and that sell is technically a free trade because technically you still have another thing open where it's still generating money. So technically, either way it goes now, up or down, you
Yeah,
can't
locks in the
lose.
price.
You can't
you still-
lose
Yeah.
because you're in both sides now. You're on the
Well, I
buy
say I
side
mix
and the
it
sell
with dollars,
side.
but it's virtual in it, so but still.
Ah, I thought it was real. Ah,
No, because like I said, I need to. Today is all about. I think for me is putting trades on and
Ugh.
just seeing how it would have panned out. Like, am I doing the right things and stuff? Because, like I said, that could have backfired on real money.
yeah.
And,
But now, didn't I say you're gonna be wishing you did it with real money?
oh yeah, 100%. Yeah. But then it's like now I might be like, yeah, I know what I'm doing, and then when I go and do it, I'm like, so. Look, now it's fucking fluctuating. Let me just mark these lines. But it's annoying because I'm using eToro more to look at my graphs, and then when I go to trading 212, my eyes are kind of bleeding. What am I looking at?
I get that too. I can't stand to look at it for too long. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's just because it's not very user friendly. How heartbreaking! I had this stock, iRobot, and I sold it, and it went up today 9.5%. That is heartbroken. That is so heartbreaking. I sold it on Friday.
Friday.
It's so heartbreaking. Oh, went up 9% today. I should short it, but yeah, I'm not going to. I'm not a shorty.
So people will literally do that the whole day.
What?
They stay on
Yeah,
they'll watch and stay at.
bruv.
Would they stay on one thing though?
Nah, they will
Or
have.
they
They'll most probably do something like this. They'll open like some type of what's it called?
split screen thing. Just the
eToro call it pro charts. So, for example, if you can see my screen,
yeah, where they have different. Yeah. I see that.
mm, and you can change it to whatever you want. You can mark your lines. The only thing in this pro chart version, none of your lines save. Unlike when you do it normally, like when you do it in this type of version, all the lines save.
Do you know what? Let me withdraw this money from trade 212.
Oh, if you withdraw, it's a £5 fee.
£5 fee.
Yeah. You're lucky. When I first started, it was 35.
More money, man.
You have to
Oh.
earn. You have to earn before you can withdraw, bruv.
I'm just gonna try and use trading 212. Though. It's gonna try because everything's just different. Where is that? GBP USD.
JJ gave me the most expensive one, Laura. This one is actually this one is was it again? It's true, it's true. But that one's worth 600. You know that shit. I know, I couldn't believe it. This is worth like 600. I don't know how I'm going to use it because I can't get it to work. I need to watch some YouTube videos. Oh, look at that. It does a quick little, nice little circle. Did like its own little hoop. Oh, I don't have to do it again. It's got a nice it's got a nice case. Oh, you want a Zippo? Oh. I can make bare circles with this. It's actually working now. Mental. My APHA has gone up. I'm up to $1 now. Over $1. National Express might be something to get into, bro. They're cheap. They're only like £2.30.
National Express.
Yeah, those are the buses, innit? You know them buses that take you
Yeah.
around wherever you need to go. My sister takes it for uni. The cool news I heard is that they're apparently going to be changing all their fleets by 2024, their whole fleet into electric. So that's the big news I heard on them, and that's why I'm very bullish on them. Bullish meaning I expect them to be way more than £2.30 per share. And even before Corona, I think they were like five. They were what, five? Yeah, they were just under the £5 per share. So it's still got a good decent climb left in it. But this is long term. But you can day trade it too. But it's a UK stock, remember. So it's gonna close in the next 1 hour and a half.
Okay.
Maybe just make a support, and maybe hopefully in the next hour and a half it'll do a pullback in it. Don't buy it just yet. Like, at least try and get the price around. Wait for it to bounce around. I would say 1226 or something.
Did you say 1226?
Yeah, exactly. Because right now, if you were gonna buy it, it's gonna be at like the 230s, isn't it? You might as well just chill and wait it to come down.
What's blocked funds mean?
Great question. I don't use Trading 212.
It's just like, I thought I put money in this account, but it's saying that this is blocked and you only have this to use.
So how much did they block?
13. So the remainder from the ISA I've dragged into here, which is £18.13.
Uh-huh.
They blocked £13.32.
Okay.
Left me with £4.76 to use. What? But what's blocked funds?
That's just to make sure they have some of your money in case you make a dumb trade. Because technically when you use leverage, you're basically asking your broker, Trading 212, to support you with the funds. I don't know, how does it work? What does it say? Does it say you're times in your money by 2 or times it by 5 or what? Does it say anything like that?
Oh, I'm over and over it all.
Switch to practice. Let me see if I can find out. Okay, because I did do a trade like that as well.
Oh shit. I think I've actually... This might be why.
Why?
I think it's because have I purchased a trade? I didn't do anything. I didn't...
Can
I've
you share your
actually got-
screen on Discord?
Yeah, I'm gonna. I've actually got a trade open and I don't know how I've opened this trade. Alright. Discord. Share screen. Do I have to do it in... Can I do it in here? Share your screen. Go live with what? Live trading. Google. Did that work?
Yep.
You see my screen, yeah?
Mhm. Oh, so that's your currency trade, dude.
I know, but no, what I'm trying to say is, This is real money. I've been doing my currency trading on eToro, mucking around. I've come to
Oh.
live trading now.
Well, clearly you didn't just. How did you open that with such little money? You bought 400 shares of it. Well, you're 4p in profit right now, so you could potentially close it if you wanted to. I don't know. What is it? It's a sell position. Oh, you've betted on a sell side. How do you bet on Oh, I don't even know how to use trading 2-on-2 like
Should I just
this.
come out of this? Because I can't remember doing this.
Yo, I remember I took a buy of 500 shares, or was that 500? No, that's 500,000. Is that 500,000?
It's like if I back out of it now,
Oh,
money
you
just goes
no,
back
yes,
in my
yeah,
account.
exactly. You're on profit, 19, 20. You could hold it if you wanted to. It's going up, no? Or you just close it, be safe, innit? I don't know. Up to you. It's your money. Don't listen to me.
Is it a buy or sell though?
It says sell though. It says you've gone the direction of a sell. So you're betting that the market will go down. But yet it's going up and you're earning money. How does that work?
Ah. Let's come out of that, bro. I don't know. Okay, I think what I must have done is clicked new market order.
Uh-huh.
No, I didn't click that. Where is it? Nah, yeah, I think it was over here.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
I've done this,
Oh, okay.
and what that does is it does a market sell rather than a limit straight away. I click
Oh.
If I click that, it just does it straight away.
Oh, interesting.
But I don't know how I get up the option of here. See, I didn't do this before. This is what I was looking for. Where
Yeah.
you click the limit and stuff.
Yeah.
But what I done was I just clicked this, I think.
Okay.
And I was like, oh, nothing worked. I was like, oh, nothing worked.
Well, where was that box that you clicked to get all that extra information?
Here.
Oh, it's that.
And then you can go into your limit stop.
Oh,
Quantity 400.
yeah. Yeah. Wow, they let us play around with a lot. Is this right? Saying I'm in.
That doesn't make sense though. How did I get 400 stock? What is 400 then? How much is that worth? £4 something.
Apparently, I just earned £1,000 on my fake
What?
account, on my virtual account, because I put a buy in. I wanted to test out their features, innit? I put a buy on, and it says I bought it at 120, well 25.20,
Hmm.
and it's saying it's £2,000 in profit right now. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. I guess it's because it's 500,000 shares. It must be because of that. How much did that actually cost me? It cost me 1,009.
So it says, you see this? Look at my screen quickly, where it says
Yeah.
this. It says buy is £2.33. Yeah.
Mhm.
So why is it when I put quantity as 1, it's not coming up as £2.33? Why is it 46p?
But that's okay because on this, on here, you can buy one share. You don't need to do like that minimum crap eToro makes you do.
Okay, but one share should be £2, right?
But is your account set in pounds or dollars?
This is all pounds. This is all pounds.
Oh yeah, this is all pounds. So
It says-
what was your
it says-
question then?
So my question is, I'm putting in 1
Uh huh.
in the quantity,
Uh huh.
expecting the 1 should be the same price as the buy, £2.33,
Oh, that's a great
It's
point.
not.
But it's giving you.
46p.
I would take it. What the fuck? Why is it doing that?
Is it because it was the market?
That is confusing. Let me see. Yeah. One share. That is odd.
So if I go to limit now and I put 1, yeah, look.
Oh
Look at that.
yeah.
What?
So it's like I guess the market, the computer system, was just gonna buy it willy nilly for you, isn't it?
For 46 pence.
Well, I think it was gonna wait until it gets to 46 pence.
Oh, I see. And the limit where you have the control makes it. Okay.
Yeah, you can set the price unless you go to, was again that same thing you did where you just click the buy. Opposed
Yeah.
to, yeah, that other arrow.
So this here, 100, 200, 300. What's this? The units.
That looks like, yeah, the units. How much
The
quantity?
Quantity.
Yeah.
Okay. So from here, you can't even get one. There's no option for one.
Oh, yeah, you can't. Can you type in one? Because it's highlighted, no? Oh, there you go. You can type in. Does it work? Is there a drop down box to the right of it? That one? There you go. Oh, there's no buy. I don't know where you click that buy. Oh, I
I'm
guess
just
you
gonna-
just do it that way, innit?
So yeah, so what was you saying about National Express? The market closes in half an hour-ish, 4 o'clock, right?
4:30ish, yeah, 4:30.
But
And I was
What- yeah, what
saying
was you
there's
saying?
potential for it to come down to the like 1227 at least. And
oh, I see.
can
By the end of day.
yeah, like look at it, it's already got the red bars forming now, so it's ready to make its downhill move in.
All right. Well,
So just chill
know.
for a few minutes, watch what it's
I'm
gonna
gonna-
do.
that would be me doing this basically. Clicking on here, going to limit, saying I don't know 1,
Yeah.
and then hitting sell. Or the price will be
Remember the 2 points above the price, so it just buys it straight away.
like that,
Yeah, beautiful.
and then wash, and then this. I wouldn't have to do this, would I? Because we're going to be watching it drop till 4:30.
Exactly. Well, no, I would say 227.
227
Yeah, 227.
on the take profit or stop loss.
Oh, no, your price target to open this trade should be 227. 227.9.
2, 2.
Yeah. 22.
There.
Oh shit, I wrote it wrong. It's actually 227.90.
200 and
27.90.
like that.
200, bro. 227. 227. 227.
That.
Yeah. Beautiful.
But it corrects to that.
Yeah, that's fine. Remember,
that right?
anything after the point is non-existent.
227.9.
Yeah, that point 9 just represents that you want to get it.
Basically £2.
You want to get in as soon as it hits that £2.27. As soon as it like even thinks about turning that 8 into a 7, it's gonna buy it for you.
And then it's just confirmed sell, right?
Oh, you selling it? No, you want to buy it, dude. Why are you selling it?
Because you said that it was going to drop. Right?
Okay. I meant drop in the sense it's gonna drop to a better position for you to buy in. Like, why would you want to buy it free or like technically like free? Is that free?
Alright, so for what, if I'm understanding you right,
Mhm.
you're saying that from where it is right now,
Uh-huh.
by the end of the day, potentially, hopefully, fingers crossed,
Uh-huh.
it will drop all the way down to the 1 point something.
No, it will
Or
drop to 227.90.
227, 227.90.
At
where
least.
we would buy,
Exactly.
and then
And then hold
the
your
next day-
position for as long as you like.
yeah,
And you can.
Okay.
This is one you would keep adding to. This is long term, in it, in a sense.
okay.
But you can intraday it. You can intraday trade it. You can hold it for a day or two. Like, yeah, it's totally up to you.
Okay, fair enough. I think what I'll do is no, I'm not gonna do that yet. Cause
Yeah, no, we need it to drop to that 227 first.
yeah. Okay. I think what I should try to do now is try and make the what do we call it? Try and how I made those $6. See if I can do it with real money now.
Good luck, bro.
That's gonna be my challenge.
You can do it, bro. We're
Uh,
just a voice message away.
literally, like. So I made 51 cents. Real money.
Nice.
Makes me laugh when you think about it, but yeah, that, at least it's going up and not down.
Yeah, that's what you want.
See if I can get that £18 to 20 by the time I fall asleep today.
There's definitely potential, bro. Definitely.
GBP. Just sticking to GBP USD.
Yeah, just so you know, that market has like a 1 hour break between 10 and 11, I believe.
PM.
Yeah,
That's fine. We'll fit in
Yeah.
some game time.
yeah, for real. And then you can legit, that's like when people go to eat and like maybe have a power nap, and then they come back for midnight. But it opens again at 11, innit?
Alright.
It's like literally just a 1 hour break, and then you just keep going for the whole week. Same thing. You can imagine some traders out there just trading oil, trading currencies. They don't sleep, bruv. They're just watching it. And if they do fall asleep, they got an alarm ready to wake themselves up, innit? I'm hitting that wall, guys. I'm ready for bed.
Bedtime.
I know, but I don't wanna go to bed.
Damn it. Go sleep today.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna sleep good tonight.
Yeah, this is another thing. Trading 212, the charts just start looking all murky, man. Like, what does that even mean? When you see these little black dashes,
Black dashes?
looks like you're playing fucking Hangman. Let me share my screen quickly.
Oh yeah, no, I don't see the
These little
screen
black
yet.
dashes.
Oh yeah, now I do.
Look. What is this?
What is what?
These dashes. Look.
Okay, so that means it's consolidating.
So it's staying on that level.
Yeah, it's basically saying, not many people are buying or selling. So I can't make a line because there's no action, there's no
No
volume.
action. Okay, cool. So not to fret. But
Mm.
actually, I didn't see that on when I was looking at eToro's graphs. They don't show that consolidation line. Or was this their version of it? Look at that, boy. I rid that wave up there. Look at that. Rid that wave, bro. Surfing.
Damn right. That's what you want to be doing in this type of market.
And now it's going back down. Great. Collecting my cents here and there.
I shall be right back, guys.
Night night.
No, I'm gonna come back. I'm just going to toilet.
Cool. Bastian!
Wait, is it starting? Is it starting? Oh, but it's fine starting. Wait for it. Yeah, life is ignorant.
I'm back, guys.
Ah, that's what that means then. Okay, cool. The blocked funds thing, it
Yeah.
just means that that's the money that you your margin that you put in on a trade, basically. That's what
Ah.
makes sense now.
It looks like the spread difference is better on eToro. The price difference is
For what?
like between the buy and the sell, innit? On
Forex, the GBP.
like if you compare it to eToro's prices,
Mm.
eToro's is better.
There's another wave that I missed.
We can't win them all. We can't get them all. Trust.
Yes, I can. There's another one happening now, which I'm trying to ride.
Oh, nice.
Come on. Holy shit, it's going up. You seeing this?
Mhm.
And then some fucker at the top's just gonna be like, nah, fuck you, innit? It's just crazy because I've got all my lines, so the green line is literally skyrocketed up to the line that I've marked as my roof, and now it's coming down again. That is fucking insane.
That's what happens when you draw the correct lines, innit, bro? It's hacks, innit?
But I want it to go past that line right now. It's not, is it? Fucking come down. So I can take my 0.07 pence, come out of the trade. Oh, shit. Yeah, I will close that. Thank you. 7p. There we go.
And you're using the leverage. The leverage account, yeah?
leverage account? CFD?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
So my aim is to get this account from that friggin' what was it? It was 18 £18 02 pence to £20. Come on, I'm on nearly on £19. Let's go. Oh look, now it fucking breaks the roof. You fucker! Trust me, I get addicted to shit like this. Look at it, boy. It is going through that roof. Like, fuck knows what. You know what that means. Bring your ass back down here, boy. Well, not necessarily.
Well, oil went back to. It's gone its way back to 36, isn't it? I opened a buy and a sell at the same time.
Oh wow.
I'm just gonna like if it goes up, then I'll do the buy, and then so
How much is that?
eventually.
$36?
Huh?
Is that $36?
What is $36? Oh, the oil. Yeah. Currently at 35.
Yeah, I'm not there yet, guys. I'm not there yet.
Yeah, I'm not there on Brandon's level. Brandon, he's on a different level.
Brother, let me $36.
Oh, you can't even. You need to. You can't buy oil with 36. You need to spend at least 2,000.
What?
Yeah, if oil is a CFD.
I ain't got that type of money on them, bro. I mean, I can sell my bed.
You see what I mean about Brandon? He just took
Oh,
the
like
knowledge
big-
and then ran and left me behind.
Brendan. So no one does penny trading now? Leave that for me, yeah?
So I've got some. I haven't got around to it yet, but I brought a bunch of guides from some guy that just does penny stock trading. The guides costed like, huh? Yeah, he's a millionaire. The guides costed 2,000, but I bought them and then refunded them and downloaded them, so got them for free.
Yeah, that knowledge, bro.
Yeah, I will. And I haven't even read it myself yet. I haven't watched them myself yet. I'm gonna upload them. I haven't had time to do it yet.
Nice.
I'm not
So
upload them.
do you do day trades then? Like when I say, okay, I think I'm using this word wrong. Day trading. Because Andrew corrected me earlier. It's like day trade, why don't I do it? But do you do like small increments throughout the day? Like
As,
trying to,
as in, like just to get like up and down, like you mean like just quick movements?
yeah. So like trying to make a
Sometimes,
few.
yeah. I did one earlier. When oil hit 35,
Yeah.
I quit it and then sold at 36.
Okay, cool.
And he got $100 more than me. He's earned
You
more
got
than me.
$100 more.
Yeah.
Why? Why so much? If he's only
Because
the
I
oil was at 36 and you is more money in it. Okay, I get it.
yeah, it's yeah. So it was I spent $250 with 10 times leverage. So it was
But
It
you
was-
wouldn't do it on lower price stuff, if that makes sense. You're doing it to earn more.
yeah. I mean, I wanna like if I was to do day trading, like it would be to earn like enough to cover like a day's worth of work, you know, like so at least like a minimum wage. Like, so
If you didn't have them funds to do that, then what would you be doing?
I would just be looking for stocks to invest in long term because every stock is gonna go. Well, not every stock, but a lot of stocks will go back up. So I would just be looking for stocks that are currently low and just to buy and hold, and then I'd have some money on the side to do like increment stuff with leverage. But I think the best thing to do, the safest thing to do, would just be to invest. Because after Corona, like a lot of things will go up by
As
Like-
in invest for the long term.
yeah, like, at least till after this stuff, like things stabilize. A lot
Yeah,
of things are much lower than where they were.
that's what I think I'm doing with the ISO account.
Yeah, he's got the ISO account, Brandon, on Trading 212. So he's milking that, innit? Since it's tax free,
cool.
innit?
Yeah. and then yeah, hopefully by the end of the year things are gonna up. That should be looking a bit juicy. And then yeah,
Better
with
be.
Josh-
You got first
Australia
class
was-
training from
do it
Brandon
while I'm
and
in
me.
Australia. Yeah, what? So you're going to sleep soon, aren't you?
Now I'm playing a game now to wake myself up.
If you're up, then, you know, you go to sleep, Brandon. You know, gonna be, I'm gonna be picking your peanut head, bruv. Or I might come round. I might actually pedal round, get some first hand.
I need to go to the barber. Yeah, I've got an afro again now. Like,
Oh, I beg you, let me cut your hair, bruv.
you cut how, bro? I want it how I used to have, like with the on the side low and then the high. Top,
Yeah.
Like old school
Oh,
Will
so-
Smith.
I bought the professional clippers and the stuff to shape up in it. I've got everything. And I
Mad.
told Jordan when his head was bush, I was like, let me cut your hair, bruv. I'll give you the sickest fade of your life. I think he's like, nah, it got a bit too thick, so I cut it. Up to you, innit? You get a free haircut, bruv. You don't pay £10 for them things. You hear me?
So true. Yeah, I cut my own hair too.
Yeah, I did it once as well. I cut my own hair once, and it was actually alright. But I haven't done it in ages. So, and I just since I've not had a haircut in at least 2 years
Oh, okay, fair,
from the barbers, so I kind of just wanted to experience the sitting in the chair. getting the haircut.
Yeah, this
Man
Forex
wants to get that pamper.
is not moving enough. Not moving enough. I think it's the units as well. Do you remember that? What was it? You saw one. It was like I bought 400 units by accident.
National Express it was. So you bought 400 units. I remember I was watching. I
No,
saw
it
National
was actually GB. It was the
Oh, yeah.
currency.
USD. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Bought it by accident.
He's
But I'm
still-
saying like now I'm trying to like do these little trades like, but it's like we're talking like you're getting like pence, you're getting cents. Well, yeah, I'm in pounds, so I'm getting pence, bro. 10p's and 15p's, and I'm just
I
like,
mean, the good thing is that you're making money. At least you know you're making money. It's better to make small amounts than be losing bare amounts. So just work on like learning to make positive trades, and then you start upping the money, and you'll be making those positive trades, making more money. Don't worry about how much you're making. Just know that you're making. Because if imagine if you're using more money and losing money, you'd be pissed. Like
So true. We wouldn't be good teachers if that was happening to him.
no, that's a good point. But how do we turn those pences into pounds?
time. So I mean, you've just started trading, right? So if you're still making,
I know what you're
Would you-
saying. I know what you're gonna say, but I'm saying that. Well, at the moment, I'm doing these small increments, but the increments I'm bringing out are pences. Can you do small increments that are going to be pounds instead of pences?
yeah, you
Yes.
could just buy more units.
Exactly.
Okay, so maybe that's what I should be doing. So I'm buying 1 unit and then earning 7p. Where I'm thinking like, should I be buying like 200 units and maybe earning £1?
Yeah, I mean, losing £1 isn't bad. Yeah, if you want to do that, it's fine.
Hmm.
But remember what I showed you on my eToro account where I was just buying in as the price is dropping. And I'm just buying 2 shares, 2 shares, 2 shares, 2 shares, 2 shares, 2 shares. That stock
Yeah.
is going to rise up sooner or later. And I've just built a really
I would do
solid
that, but,
position if I'm not finding the correct bottom
hmm.
that I predicted.
Let me share my screen with you. One sec.
Oh, I can't watch, I'm in game.
Oh, yeah, well, Brandon, you can see it, innit?
Yeah, I'd say.
And if you just spread Sam.
Yeah, I can see.
So what I've been doing is, you see how it's been going up and down here like this?
Mhm.
So this was the first this was the first one that I rode all the way up, and I was like, oh, raw. But I rode this wave and I earned $6 on eToro, like the demo accounts.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, I want to try and do this with real money. And then I think I sold here, innit?
Yeah.
Then it went down, then I came out here. and
Nice.
then when it went back up here again, I sold again, and then I
Yeah.
came up here. So what I've been doing is I've just been going up and down basically. I've
Yeah,
rode
yeah.
this all the way up. But that's what I'm saying. This is a big sort of wave. But I only earned like 8p from this. If that makes sense, because I'm only doing like one. I'm only the lowest I can do. I'm doing that basically
Mhm.
unit bit wise. So it's sort of like now this is doing this again. It just feels like it's repeating itself. It's going down here, it's going back up here.
Zoom out. It goes to put it to 5 minutes or something. Go a bit to the left. As in just yeah, let's see what's on the left. And then do week view. Or 1 day. 1 day is fine as well. Okay.
There you go.
Ah, how did that even fucking...
I don't know why this stuff does.
Well, yeah, it seems like it seems like it's on uptrend. I mean, yeah, I think.
But that's all. That's literally what I'm doing. I'm sitting here, and I'm observing. I think my lines are gone now. I think I just took them off. But yeah, I'm observing how it's fluctuating. Like, look at the green now. It's going back up. It's probably going to get to. This is where my line was before.
Yeah.
And then when it hits the line, I close my thing, take my pences, then I put a sell on, and it goes back down. That's all I've literally been doing.
Yeah, that's good. You just need to make sure you have a stop loss though, because sometimes it will go past the lines, and you need to make sure that you are going to either manually stop it yourself or have a stop loss.
Yeah.
Where you have your line, put a stop loss so that it like as in the opposite direction basically, so that if you end up being wrong, you don't keep holding it. Some people will hold and like hope that it goes back up. They'll just keep holding.
Ah, rude.
See.
Sorry,
yeah,
guys.
it's been like small increments, but I'm trying to see if what I'm doing here, if I increase the units, like, because the margins are so small. It's only between here and here. Like, literally, it's not like it's dropping all the way down, back down here and stuff. It's only just here.
Mm.
So I don't know, like.
Also, I just realized the reason why you don't get that much from this is because the increments are so small. 1.2569, 1.2. If you use a different stock to watch, you could make more as well.
A stock or a forex?
Just something that isn't such a small, like something like maybe with fixed numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like under pips. Yeah, I think this is for people with like their money to be playing with.
Stocks. Trying to think how I found these stocks last time.
I mean, let me see what I've got. Just...
Because yeah, on this account there's only £18 on the CFD.
Hmm.
So it's like, yeah, that's what I've got on here. And on
Do you have any shares in Lloyd's?
no.
Recommend buying one.
This one here.
Yeah, Lloyd's is definitely gonna go back up. I mean, I bought it today and it's up a bit. But yeah, that's like a one you can hold for long term.
And is this a good price to have it at?
Well, if you compare it to where it's, look at the chart and go to, or even, I mean, so go to 1 week and look at where it is now compared to where it was.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah, like any price now is a good price. And you can just get the minimum if you want. Like anything is.
So when it says is this basically saying units here?
Yeah, so it's 200 shares.
Okay.
I think 200 shares should be a lot. I don't think we can get 200 shares.
Well, it's saying this is the price for 200 shares.
What? Oh, it's in GB.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, makes sense.
Is that correct?
I guess so, yeah. It's 31 pence. 31 pence
For
per
200?
share. Oh, no, it should be 31 per share. 31 per share.
Yeah, here we go. So one share here. No, it's saying one share is 6p.
No. Should not be right. Or just get whatever you feel comfortable getting.
But that's what I'm trying to say. I'm getting confused now when I'm trying to.
I don't use trading on 212 that much, so I don't know. But on eToro, it's saying that one share is 31.6. So I think that market thing is just trying. I think the market thing you can change yourself.
And then here is where it gets a bit confusing as well because it's got all these, which
I think that's just so you can quick buy like 100 shares, 200 shares, 200.
Yeah, but here it should do it automatically. It should say.
So with limit, so with this one, it's so that you can set what price it will buy at. With market, we set it to 1 again on market. I don't know why it's 0.06. But I know on eToro, one share is what it's saying at the top, 0.316. That is one share. So I don't know why. I mean, you can try confirm buy and see what happens. 0.06. It'd be funny if it buys a share for that much. Oh, you know what it is? I just realized it's a fraction of a share. Because you can buy fractions of shares, so you probably just bought a fraction of the share,
Oh,
which is fine. Yeah. Oh wait, price 0. Yeah, you just paid. Wait, good. Press cancel. Press cancel. Margin 0.06. What's that? Current price. So you paid 0.317 or what?
0.06.
Right, it says 1 at 0.31. Then you
What?
what was your account funds when you bought that?
57, innit?
It was 57, so you literally just paid 6p.
Yeah.
Yeah, it must be a fraction of a share. It has to be. Because the current price is, you can see it there, 0.317. So
I don't know. Maybe or unless the only thing I can think of is if I've withdrawn my money from this CFD.
blocked fund 0.06. You know what? I think I don't even think it bought it. I think it's just there waiting to go through or something. It says blocked fund 0.06. Like,
Yeah,
what?
so the blocked funds is basically the margin, so that this is what I've put into this share. So that's
Hmm.
why it's blocked.
But
Anytime I do a trade, whatever the amount of money that I put in, they block that. I can't. It's basically telling me my outgoing, what I've basically put out.
But it's not even showing like how much money you've made or lost, even though the price is moving. It's just there. I don't get it, but yeah, if you want to buy an actual share, just do the one that actually shows the price it's at, which is around 31.6 or something.
Hi.
You can just hold that long term.
What screen? No.
So
I
confused.
think
Well, yeah. In the beginning of 2020,
Hell.
Lloyd's was 60
Definitely.
pence.
Why?
It's now 31 pence.
But like, how are you gonna repair that?
That more sense now.
Yeah, that looks normal.
Pending. What?
Yeah, orders executed now.
Where the fuck is? so it's pending because it's going to buy it at that limit price that I put, right? This is but look, it's still saying block fund 0.06 pence. Look,
I have no idea. You have to wait till Andrew's done. I don't use trading 212.
Yeah, I don't
do you-
even use it, to be honest.
Why am I on this fucking thing then?
Well,
Because
with
it got
this
the
one,
free
you
share,
have to spend
innit?
$50. You also don't have to spend $50 per share. On eToro, you have to spend at least $50
Yeah,
for
exactly.
every share.
What do you mean? Every share?
The minimum you have to spend is $50 to buy a stock or anything. So it means that if a share is $1, you have to buy 50 shares to get it to $50.
Even on Lloyd's?
Yeah,
Oh, well, I ain't...
I mean,
and it's for a long... You said it was for a long term, didn't you?
well, yeah, if you want the most profit, you can hold it long. Yeah, there's people saying time to hold them.
Yeah, it says 30. Or was it different Lloyd's that I was looking at just there?
No, it's only
Lloyd's
Lloyd.
Group.
Yeah, same one. Look, the price is similar. Same.
0.31. 0.25. Different, innit?
No. It's 31. It's pence, and on Lloyd's it shows as pence. On eToro it shows as pence. So it's 31.59 here, and goes back to live 212. 31.69. So the difference is there's like a spread difference, I guess, between eToro and yeah, but it's the same stock.
Holy crap.
I think what I might do then is I'll go to here, go manage funds, go move funds, move TFD to ICE, 8 quid. The minimum is 10.
Sorry? Oh, to withdraw?
Okay. Okay. Right. Oh shit! That National Grid's up by 1.33%. Anyway, what was you doing, bro? Lloyd's. This is Lloyd's. Now, you click buy. Numbers of shares. 32 pence per share, wasn't it?
Yeah, around that much. 31 something. 31.6. 31.7.
Ah, rude. Rude.
That. Done.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, but this one I'm just saying, on the ISA, it comes out, it was fine, it would just work straight away. I bought 5 shares.
Yeah, I don't know why it's different with the other one. I have to speak to the support. The support on here is actually pretty fast. There's a little bubble on the bottom right. You can ask some questions, I guess.
yeah. Do you have any other long-term ones that I could potentially put anything in?
Let me see.
I will show them the power of an iceborn.
Buy any more on that?
Me?
No, Andrew.
Damn. I'm the one that got caught, innit? Rude.
The day our tribes unite,
Oh.
peace requires a steady hand.
Oh, my balls.
No, he left. Is it? Oh, Nick. Something sharing.
Yeah.
Damn.
PNC is PNC Financial Services Group on Trading 212.
Let's have a look. What was it PNC, did you say?
Yeah.
He can't afford that.
Oh, you can't get a fraction of it.
Oh, he could do that, yeah. You can get that.
109. I never know how to fraction by. Just saying.
Just try putting like 0.
This is it, innit? PNC.
Yeah. Does it let you put dust in it?
Damn.
Click on number of shares, like click on the word number of shares. Number of shares you got. Okay, never mind. What about that thing on the, that's just a keyboard I guess. The thing on the right, what is that?
Yeah.
Have you ever bought a fractional share on 212, Andrew?
No. I only
Maybe you
buy
can't.
shares.
Um,
It was down to I've got something on here. So here was to practice again.
For weakness.
UK market is closing in 2 minutes, guys. Make your money moves now, forever hold your peace.
Money moves.
Can I buy some Rolls Royce real quick?
What was it? Nationwide. National Express. That Natural Express didn't come down in the end, did it?
Did it not? Let's see. Yeah, it didn't. The lowest was like 131. Yeah, you don't want to FOMO buy. I'm sure tomorrow will be a better day to try and get the discount. Look how much it drops, bruv. Like, There's no point buying at the top, innit?
Mm,
No point buying there. Just wait till it comes down. Be patient. Good things happen to the patient ones.
what time is it open? 8 in the morning.
Yeah. I tried to wake you up, bro.
Hey, Nordic's going up. What we like to see.
NAT, yeah?
No NAT, mate.
Nice.
Tank is moving up.
Nice, nice. I haven't even looked at them yet.
But it's like, I was gonna buy more shares in their one, innit? But I don't know if I should buy it at this price.
Let's see, what price is it? What price is it?
489.
Yeah, I'll buy it. Fuck that. Why would I buy that price?
$4.89. I'll buy one more share.
I only can buy one share. Oh, that's annoying. I got no funds in this account.
I got £4.52 to buy one more long time share. Anyone got a long time share for me?
APHA?
Oh yeah, I've got 2 of those shares, but they've been.
It's been climbing though.
Has it?
I don't know what price you bought it in at, but it's been climbing for me.
What price did you buy it at?
Remember I bought it in at the start of the market. So what price was that? Let's see.
4 point what?
4.17.
Jeez!
What did you get it at?
4.31.
Oh shit.
Literally what it is now.
Hello.
Just deciding, do I want to fuck this guy over or do I, you know?
No, you're good, bro. You're safe. Trust. This company's gonna be a household name soon. Give it another 5 years. We'll be gassing about to everyone about them.
Mhm.
What was I looking at? Oh yeah. Starbucks. It's tempting to start that Starbucks, you know, but I know that I should keep it, but like, it's tempting to just get rid of it. Do Starbucks pay dividends?
On the 12th of June, when was that?
They
A
do.
couple of days ago.
I believe that was a Friday, no?
Yeah, what happened from the 12th of June to now? Fucking hell. This is at,
Big Money
This
wanted
was-
their money for the weekend parties, isn't it?
this was at 24:20.
Yeah, and that's UK time, no?
Huh?
That's UK time, though.
I can't go any. And it shot all the way down to 22.96.
What was that?
Well, just look at this chart that I'm looking at right now. On the 12th of June, that was on Friday. This was up here, let alone even here. It's at 23.90. This is all on the 12th.
Hey, what did
And
they
then
do? What is that company?
Weekend happen. I had it on my phone. See if I can find it. Or just Google it.
Oh, they're UK stock.
No, they're US stock.
Oh.
Personal styling for you. Men's clothing.
Oh, they're a clothing brand. With a 3-star review and only 500 reviews.
Fuck off, what's all this?
Some men are just so sexist.
Ah, okay. That's pretty cool.
What happened? Oh, I'm watching. Were you?
Yeah.
Are you looking at the charts?
No, I just want to know what they actually were, like what
Oh.
they done. When I read this, I was like, that's a pretty cool concept for a business, where
What
they
is it?
actually send you, they'll send you the items,
Mhm.
and then you can like try the items on in your own comfort space, and then you can return the things that you don't like.
Will they
pay
come
for
and
it.
collect it and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, that must mean that. I wonder if that cost them. How much that cost them to operate?
Trade accessories.
It might be a cool, innovative way, but someone's got to pay for that. And if the company is losing money by creating such a service and getting only 500 reviews and a 3-star rating,
Revenue per active client. Its leaders have a long-term mindset until COVID happens again. As the pandemic made it.
I saw in the news on Train 212 News saying that apparently China's like closing everything down. Beijing is closing everything down now because they're experiencing some type of wave.
Yeah, so I heard that as well. It will crash again, I think. Even like people like now going back to work, there's gonna be a second wave. It hasn't hit yet though. Let's see.
Well, hopefully the protest didn't like spread it even more.
Probably.
So do we have a house phone now, JJ? Oh, okay. Oh. What's that? Is it like a conference call phone? Ah.
I did change the IP settings. I changed a lot of settings. Everything's right, and now my user and my password's not working.
Hi.
For me, my manager's just not working now. But I can log in
Oh, rah.
out of the blue. Just out of the blue.
Rah. Do they know how to operate their business?
I mean, I'm here not working. I told my manager, so he knows. So he said that's fine. So that's fine.
You can relax, you can have an early day.
I can't. I'm nervous. There's people alone. Like now, 4 people left. So now there's people doing work. So I should be happy. But
Well, if you got no connection, what can you do? Oh, he's so cute.
you should see him.
She loves loving.
Well, now she's huffing and puffing. She doesn't like it. Oh, we're watching tomorrow, right? I'll be there for you. Shiba will be there for you.
Are you gonna watch it live or something? Oh. Oh. Currency.
Hmm?
Depends what you're gonna buy. If it's on both of them, I no, they both charge $5. Let me just double check that. Why not? I'm just watching. No, it's just watching. It's fine. Yeah. What did they say? They haven't got back to you yet.
Where are you?
Oh, you're right. Trading 212 has no You're right, babe. I did. You must have listened to me right, because even I, yeah, got it wrong.
It is working. Yes, guys.
Yeah, I thought they both
Yes,
charged
that's what I'm
$5.
So can you plug the...
Yeah.
So trading 212, the thing is like I want to buy one of those it's going up right now, but
Yeah,
at the end of the day,
There's 1 hour, 20 minutes.
like I've seen it like just basically bouncing up and down from the what 9:50 to 9:30. Oh, it's like 9:50 nearly now.
2 weeks. How percent that? Bradley still
But
gets
that's
it.
where it started. It plummeted, hit the bottom line, hit my line at 9:09. So 9:09 is like the support, the current.
909.
Yeah,
When
9:09.
was that?
When the market opened, 2:30.
Is it usually low when it opens?
I wouldn't say so. I guess over the weekend, because remember Tesla got up to $1,000, a lot of people just said, "Oh yeah, this is way too high. Like it's never been this high before. We might as well sell and also short the company to make extra money over the weekend." So that's what looks like happened. That's why there was a massive invisible red line from here to down here. Yeah. and they just made it drop. Yeah, definitely. It's too. It's basically like bouncing from this line to that line. Okay. Yeah, I would say, let's see, if we go to the 1 day chart, we can see what they're doing. So it was a buy day today. Definitely a buy day. It's a green day today. Friday was a really bad, like, good selling day. So Friday was the best day to get the good price. Even today, but only at the market open. It only happened at 2:30. Oh, why? Oh, I gave her loads of wires. Oh yeah, I had Laura mention it. Do you want to take her? Oh, shall I can take her? Oh, it's did you find anything? Inside. But are we? Are you not gonna wait for the low price?
No, I am.
Oh, you are. You just wait.
But, like,
You want me to tell you?
yeah,
Okay.
like, well, I'll keep it up as well. But that's why it's better.
Very true. Very true.
Do you want puppies? Puppies? You want puppies?
I definitely recommend getting some more ADHA since it's the cheapest way and like the most stylish. Yeah, they're really high now. Really high. I would have said try and wait and get it to 150. They want 89, 190 now. Maybe it's just, I don't know. I would even say maybe it's okay to just buy one share and just sit on it and just wait. If it goes lower, then buy another share. It's very unlikely because they've had a lot of bad publicity currently because of all the rockets they're not creating.
Well,
Yeah. But they pay a really nice dividends. And their dividends is around 4%. Yeah, technically this is a good stock to hold. I should have kept it, but I would have like 150s, 140s. It would do a bit more of a drop, but it didn't. It just carried on going up. But I remember the Boeing CEO came out and said that he doesn't expect the share prices to get back to what they originally were. It'll take another 3 years or so. And before Corona, it was at 350. But still, I still think it's worth it. That's why I just want to put them with it. Not games. I know these fundamentals, these companies, I know their balance sheets. Boeing's got the shittiest one. This is really close to high, babe. She better be. She's making you procrastinate.